Good morning, it's the 5th of August 2010 and this is your daily outlook. No rate decision change expected from the ECB and the Bank of England. The dollar traded stronger yesterday following a spur of good data out of the US economy. We saw a better than expected non-manufacturing ISM index yesterday, coming in at 54.3 for the month of July, as well as an improved new orders and ADP employment indices beating market expectations. ADP employment came in at 42,000 compared to an expectation of 30,000. Overall, both ADP and ISM support an expectation of 100,000 for the NFP data on Friday. Overall, however, the policy outlook expectation for the Fed is for the status quo to remain and a possibility for further quantitative easing measures and bond repurchases. US Treasury yields traded between 0.54% and 0.57%. The dollar-yen price action on the day was between 86.44 and 85.31. In the Eurozone, attention is shifted to the ECB policy rate decision, followed by Trichet's press conference. The market is expecting the policy rate to stay the same and the accompanying statements to highlight cautious optimism. Trichet will likely comment on the recent bank stress tests also. PMI services from Europe and Germany were released as well, with slightly lower than expected outcomes at 55.8 and 56.5 respectively. Euro-dollar price action yesterday was between 132.40 and 131.31. In the UK, we have an upcoming policy rate decision as well by the Bank of England, with no change in policy expected. The market expects the first rate hike to take effect in the first quarter of 2011, despite the recent divisions between policy members within the Monetary Policy Committee. PMI figures for the UK came out lower than expected at 53.1, however Halifax housing figures gained by 0.6%, helping keep the cable supported. Sterling dollar price action was between 159.61 and 158.56. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 131, with a preference to enter into long positions at 131.10. The dollar yen pivot point is at 85.80, with a preference to enter into long positions at 85.85. Today's calendar and market movers: UK Bank of England rate decision for August expected unchanged at 0.5%, Eurozone ECB rate decision for August expected unchanged at 1%, and US initial jobless claims for the week expected at 455,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive yesterday, with the SP 500 up by 0.41% and the Dow up by 0.64%. The European bourses were mixed, with the FTSE down 0.19%, the DAX up by 0.37% and the CAC closed up at 0.35%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.57% and the Hang Seng was down 0.05%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.